Most of us want to feel like our lives mean something. And for me, it's the ability to connect, to hear stories, to be heard, and to help others. Helping others feels good. And real estate gave me an incredible platform to do so. When you've touched someone's life in a positive way, you feel connected to them. It's a bonding experience. It brings people closer to each other. When you choose to help others, especially face to face, you're entering the life in a positive way, reinforcing social connections as you go. All of this creates a sense of meaning in my life and the life of those I'm privileged to serve. This is what real estate means